Hey, hey, oh, oh, oh,
Am I so asleep?
All right, y'all. So we're making gumbo, and we are adding some chicken sausage to it. The one we have is sweet pepper and onion chicken sausage. We're also going to add some andouille chicken sausage. I didn't even know that they had Cajun style andouille chicken sausage, but I found those at Kroger. So we're gonna get those added. We also have some celery. I'm probably gonna use about a half of the celery to go into the gumbo. And then I got some, I guess it's a bushel. I don't know what it is, but a little bush of parsley. That's what we got. And then I got 3 bags of this like frozen salad shrimp to add into it, just to add some volume to the protein. And then we also are going to add some large jumbo shrimp to the gumbo. That's the kicker. I have already cut up my bell peppers, red onions, yellow onions, my minced garlic, and I'm gonna add the parsley and the other vegetables like the celery to this bowl. However, I'm gonna start on the chicken. I need to have it seared on my grill pan. So I'm going to oil the pan in this olive oil spray and then add those onto it. While the grill pan is heating up, I'm going to go ahead and get those chicken sausages into my other pan that already has a bit of butter in it. And I just want to brown them, kind of caramelize them a bit so they can add more depth of flavor to the gumbo. Wow, why are you so aggressive? Alright, so now we're about to cut up some celery. Some celery. And then once all of the chicken sausage is finished, then I'll deglaze the pan and add all of the veggies. I think half of that, half of this gumbo or the roux, I believe I'm going to actually freeze it so that the next time I make some, I don't have to stir for an hour. I always look at the viewfinder and not the actual lens. Okay, so there is the celery. Add it to my veggie plate. I feel like I got on here and was just like, I'm making gumbo, and you just came with me. Welcome, thank you for joining me. But as y'all saw earlier, I was working. That's basically all I did. Work a little bit today, and then I've had a hankering for like gumbo and cornbread, like just some homey food. And so I said, why not do it today? This weekend we are hosting a couples game night, and it's gonna be in the theme of kind of like Friendsgiving food. So what is it? November foods, November holiday foods. So soul food, and I have a whole agenda and a list of things that I want to cook. But today it's not Saturday, and so I said, let me go ahead and make some gumbo. And I'm so grateful for just being creative, or being able to be creative in the kitchen. It did take me like at least an hour and a half to get my roux as dark as I wanted it to be, as thick as I wanted it to be, and all of that. So we're here now. This plate of veggies is done, and that's what's gonna go in the pan, the sausage pan, as soon as it's done. I'm gonna deglaze it with some chicken stock and then get it popping. So we still have more than half of my celery left, which I knew we would. I may add a little bit more in there, but for the most part, we are done with that. I do have to peel the big shrimp and add that to it. Then we just gonna coast. I did let Jaden taste the roux with a little bit piece of chicken sausage. He said he loved it, so fingers crossed everybody likes it. You about to go? You about to go?
Did you want me to?
I just wanted to see if that's what your plan was.
You sick today. Malachi.
And this dude, bro, I'm scared you about to put this in. This is a test period.
Oh no.
So I'm trying to put it. All I gotta do now is put out the purpose and.
Great morning, great. Am I still asleep? I'm awake, right? Great morning, grand rising. What up, though? Happy Friday. My watch is on backwards. My watch is on backwards, y'all. Jesus. Get it together. My hands are ashy. All I feel like I do is wash my hands and never lotion them. Like, girl. It's cold outside. It's 45 degrees. Alright. Happy Friday, y'all. I woke up at like 3:15 and I could not go to sleep. So I was like, you know what? You keep saying you want to be a 4:30 a.m., 5 o'clock gym girly, but you'll never wake up. So what you want to do? When you want to do it?
I'm about to ball on. Niggas spit shit fucking with basic niggas cause they scared of the dog. Scared of the dog. These niggas scared of the dog. Scared of the dog. riding with me. Thug Holiday. Go ahead, you can cry. It's alright, man. Everything gonna get it. What would I be without my guns? How could I get away from the proposals? If a nigga couldn't run, if I was I give it a daughter, would always pray for a son. Life is crazy, ain't it? Who's drugs? Who will teach them right from wrong? Show them boys true love.
Oh, just that ain't coming home this year, just like the fellas in prison. We miss you so much for real.
When my roots ain't watered down, growing like a ball tree, all life on photograph. Ancestor put me on game. Long time on shoon in a jail. Jump out on me. What? Nah, chopper instant. Yeah, ice, bust down. Bloody. Sisters on the walls at the ghost shit. Hold my hands, we gon' pray together. Lay down, face down in the gravel. We wearing so here we come on our own time. Your hands on my body. Feels better than any man I ever met. Something about the way you just give me right now. Don't, 'cause I can't forget. You got a feeling a soul that I need in my life. Yeah. And though we may grow, I don't know why we don't go. Baby, I need you. I breathe you, turning my heart blue. Baby, I need you. When I leave you, I see you.
I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, you know where to be found as they sing along. I say you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face, I see you hiding the hate, I see you looking for someone to scoop you right off your feet. You wanna ride in the rain, you wanna go out on dates, you want somebody to come bring you flowers, someone to talk to for hours, wash your back while I sit in the shower, someone to tell you you're beautiful, someone to tell you and mean it, someone to tell you I love you every day and don't got a reason. You want someone to bring you peace, someone to help you sleep, someone to pick you up when you're feeling down, feeling lonely. Somebody.
You got a feeling a soul that I need in my life, babe. Oh. And though we may grow, I don't know why we don't grow up, babe.
Somebody who can make it better. Somebody who can open up those gates. Open up those gates to your heart.
We are done. We are done. Whew. It is 6:43. We are done. We are done. We are done. I'm actually really kind of glad that we are. Sometimes coming to the gym early morning, even though it's a great time to get your workout in and a good way to start your day. Sometimes because, especially being a woman, coming to the gym early by yourself, my senses are heightened. I think anxiety is far higher than if it's daytime, and paranoia kick in. So I be in my head like, all right, if he look over here at me, go, leave. When girl, that man ain't stunting you, but can never be too cautious, right? All right, so it's 6:44. I gotta head to the post office. I think they open at 7. I gotta look that up. I think they open at 7. But I feel really good in my body. Ooh, my glasses are fogging up because of the sweat and the heat of it all. Can y'all tell? Probably not. It don't even look like did nothing, huh? Okay, whatever. But I think the post office open at 7. I got some things to drop off. I need to get the right postage stamps on them. I probably send them all certified because I need them there immediately. But yeah. All right, let's get started. And then I have to go to the grocery store. I gotta go to the grocery store, post office, grocery store. Then I'm gonna do some work at home. I'm probably gonna leave work early today because I want to start on dinner for tomorrow, or brunch for tomorrow. We're having kind of like a Friendsgiving theme, basically soul food in October. So I'm making some collard greens, smothered green beans, sweet potato pie. What else am I making? Sheesh. Some fried fish, cabbage. I think I said collard greens. The collard greens is gonna have ham hocks in it, traditional. Cabbage is not. We're having non-meat eaters over, so I gotta be accommodating, obviously. And just a couple other things that I'm making, but I gotta go to the grocery store and get a couple things so that I can complete the meals. I had to do a little detox. So I said a detox. I have to do a little deep clean of the house today. Usually I would do it on Sunday, but because we're having guests, obviously do it before they come. And for the most part, our house stays pretty clean because the kids do chores every day. We tidy up, you know, wipe down counter stuff. But I want to do a deep clean. I feel like I need to do a seasonal deep clean. So like it's the season to do a deep clean, kind of how you would do a spring clean. I want to do that. I really need to clean out my closet. Girl, it's a lie. Anyway, y'all coming with me to see it all, so. Whew. Whew. Happy Friday again. That's ghetto. I gotta do my nails too, cause that's ghetto. Anyway. We're at Kroger. And we got a list. The post office isn't open till 8:30. So, yeah. We'll go get the stuff in here for tomorrow's brunch. And then hopefully by that time, we'll be finished. Once we get everything, it should be about 8 o'clock, and then we'll head to the post office. I think it's 8 or 8:30. I can't remember. It's different locations open at different times, so I think the one near my house opens at 8. I'm hoping it opens at 8 because I ain't got time. Like I'm not coming back out. Like, God. But all right, let's go get these groceries. Let's go get these groceries.
Turning my heart blue. Baby, I need you. When I leave you, I see you.
I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, you know where to be found as they sing along. I say you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face, I see you hiding the hate, I see you looking for someone to scoop you right off your feet. You wanna ride in the rain, you wanna go out on dates, you want somebody to come bring you flowers, someone to talk to for hours, wash your back while I sit in the shower, someone to tell you you're beautiful, someone to tell you you mean it, someone to tell you I love you every day. You don't got a reason. You want someone to bring you peace, someone to help you sleep, someone to pick you up when you're feeling down, feeling lonely.
Got a feeling it's so.
All right. So it is 8:02. We are leaving Kroger. We spent $150 in there. That's wild. Some of that stuff is gonna last me, so I'm not worried about it. Some of that stuff is gonna it was kind of replenishing something that's kind of running out, so I'm not too worried about it, but sheesh. So we're gonna head to the post office nearest my house to see if they're open at 8 or 8:30. Hopefully it's 8 so I can get this done. And then we head home to work.
Right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, you know where to be found as they sing along. I say, you look good without no makeup. No lashes, even better when you're waiting for.
Video.
I can understand that. So he was.
Something about your hand on my body feels better than any man I ever met. Something about the way you just give me right now. No desire, can't forget. Ooh, got a feeling the soul that I need.
I'm like, alright, like, yo.
No, we may grow. I don't know why we don't go.
I was so mad. I'm like, alright, I'm
This morning, it was just like, I was making sure you're. Yeah, I'm like, where you going? It's Saturday.
I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, you know where to be found as they sing along. I say, you look good out, no makeup. I see the look on your face, I see you hiding the hate. I see you looking for someone to scoop you right off your feet. You wanna ride in the rain, you wanna go out on dates. You want somebody to come bring you flowers, someone to talk to for hours. Wash your back while y'all sit in the shower. Someone to tell you you're beautiful, someone to tell you it mean it, someone to tell you I love you every day. Don't gotta reason, someone to bring you peace.
I'm just trying to. I never take pictures of the stuff.
Someone to pick you up when you're feeling down, feeling lonely. Somebody.
Trying to protect my heart, making it so
And though we may grow, I don't know why we don't grow up.
You know where to be found as they sing along. I say you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you're wake up.
Who is it, baby? What's the song? How it go? Go ahead, baby.
Oh.